Well, this is the start of the incredible journey to the Canadian bush with the outcome unknown. And I'm your host, Robbie's Wild Camping, the most intelligent, sophisticated, handsome wild camper this planet has ever known. And we'll see you there. See you there.
I need to tell her she's the only one I really love. I've got a woman all day. I've got a woman, she won't be true now. I've got a woman, stay drunk all the time. I said I got a little woman and she won't be true. Sunday morning when we go down to church, folks standing in line. Don't say they come to pray to the Lord, but when my little girl looks so fine. And in the evening when the sun is sinking low, everybody's with the one they love. I walk the town, keep searching all around for a street corner girl. I don't want all day. Drinking and remember the time. My little lover does a midnight shift. She follows around all the time. I guess it's just one thing left for me to do, but I pack my bags and move on my way. Cause I got a worried mind, sharing what I thought was mine. Gonna leave her with a guitar.
Little bubbly? Little bubbly. For the rest of the way in. Oh yeah. Cheers. Is that the Bach? No. Oh, that's good. Cabin over there. Well, we made it. Destination number 1. Brian's little camp here. Yeah, man, it's nice. Little cabin. Huh, you left it unlocked. Oh yeah. Hey? That's nice. Smells like new wood. That's loft up there, right?
Yeah, there's a
Wood
loft
stove.
here,
Oh, look at the ladder.
yeah. I can see it's still not done, right?
Yeah. Oh, sweet. Oh, just like home.
Oh, yeah.
Wasn't too bad of a drive.
No, not at all. Not at all. Yeah, you've done some work out here.
Boy, talk about being in the middle of nowhere, huh?
There's still remnants of a couple of targets down there.
Oh yeah. Oh hell yeah. Time to mix a drink, brother.
Got that ready. Yeah, on this side too, you got another fire pit back here.
Oh yeah. Sure. Oh, you could just see a bear come crashing through the woods at any given moment, you know?
Yep.
Big old bull moose. Boy, sure is nice. Here are all the birds. Wow. No shortage of wood, that's for sure. All right. I'll get back with you guys later. I'm going to mix a drink. IKEA stove, egg foo young. One egg. One egg. Okay, let me zoom in on the subject here. Okay, burning the living room furniture.
Can't forget the stinky cushion.
There we go.
Yeah, we gotta have the cushion on there.
There we go.
We'll see you there.
Nice.
Holy Jesus. Look at the flames. 20 feet up in the air. I could actually feel that from here.
Is that incredible?
It's like the Burning Man. It's like my buddy in Kentucky. He burned his mobile home down the bottom.
Yep.
His car stopped, and he's holding the hose right. This car stopped by. He goes, "You want me to call the fire department?" He looked at him. He says, "I am the fucking fire department." He had a garden hose in his hand. Oh yeah, that's a proper fire there. This is how we roll.
Welcome to the Bruce Peninsula.
Yeah.
House fire though is the problem, right?
Everything in the house catches on fire.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, Brian. Normal people don't do shit like that.
Normal people don't do shit like that.
You're missing some diesel.
Good job, man.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that, Curt, another jet already.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, I just keep bombing it.
I was saying to Curt, this is the, you're flying out to Calgary or Vancouver, this is the main, from Toronto up.
Mm.
They come this far north and then they head straight west.
Yeah.